Hi everybody, it's time for cooking. Can't wait for today's recipe. It's a really fun one to do and really great to eat too. If you listened to my story this week, here we go, one of my favourites, you might have seen some bears. And Mummy Bear was snoring and Daddy Bear didn't have a good night's sleep. In the morning, Mummy Bear bought him a cup of tea and Baby Bear bought some letters. But he didn't get any food. So I thought we could make Mr. Bear some breakfast. Would you like to do that? Let's make Daddy Bear some breakfast. Okay, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some oats. You're going to need some oil. You're going to need some honey. You're going to need some raisins, or maybe some apricots, and even some nuts if you like them. You can put lots of different things in this recipe because we're going to make some granola. You might be able to put some vanilla in to make it taste really yummy. If you want to have a special treat one day, you could mix in some chocolate. Okay? Lots of lovely things you could choose. You're going to need a nice big bowl and a nice spoon for mixing, and then one of these baking trays and some special paper to stop it sticking. Special paper that we can put in the oven. It's called greaseproof paper. So check you've got some of that. That will stop your granola from sticking to the tray. Okay, let's get ready and see what we need to do. First, you need to mix together the honey and the oil and the vanilla in the bowl. Okay. Number 2, stir in the oats and mix it really well together so that it all gets coated and covered with the syrupy and the mixture with the honey and the oil. Make sure it's well covered. Keep stirring it. Then you can spoon it onto the tray with the paper and put it in the oven. You need to next cook it for about 10 minutes or so until it turns golden brown. Then, when it's cooled, you can mix in the raisins or the apricots or anything you like to mix in for your breakfast. Maybe some coconut, maybe some chocolate chips, maybe some dried cranberries, whatever you like. And finally, it's time to eat it for breakfast with some yogurt or some milk. I hope you enjoy making your granola. When you make it, I want you to see how the oats change. When you get the dry oats and then you stir them with the honey, can you touch it? Think of some good words to use to describe it. Maybe it's sticky, maybe it's gloopy, maybe it's messy. And then when you bake it, what happens to the oats then? Have a think about all those great words that you can use to describe your cooking. Have fun and enjoy your lovely, healthy breakfast cereal.